Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! In Grammar 1.5.1, we looked at how to use 几, how many, to ask for people's age. Like, how old are you? 你几岁? 你几岁? We also looked at how to give an answer. For example, I'm 40 years old. 我40岁. 我40岁. In this grammar video, we will look at a slightly different way of expressing people's age. Let's turn our textbook to page 32 and take a look at grammar point number 3. To put it very simply, we simply add a l at the end of the phrase. For example, 你几岁了? 我40岁了. This l is adding the nuance of I was younger, but now I'm 40 years old. The l indicates a change and expresses a change of circumstance. So to say 我40岁了, it's like saying I was younger, but now I'm 40 years old. L expresses a change, and we will eventually come back to this again in HSK Level 3, Grammar Point 3.5.1. For example, L expressing a change. How old is your daughter? 你女儿几岁 becomes 你女儿几岁了? How old is your daughter now? How old has your daughter become? Mrs. Li is 50 years old. 李老师50岁 becomes 李老师50岁了. Mrs. Li is now 50 years old.
看，你今年几岁了？看几岁了？他20岁了，很好。
My friend's daughter is 4 years old this year. 我朋友的女儿今年4岁 becomes 我朋友的女儿今年4岁了. She's already 4 years old. She has grown up. She has become 4 years old. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.